Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to continue with revision chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. Up to question D we had completed, so we will start with question E, that is answer the following question. Sum of two consecutive even numbers is 118, find the numbers. So here it is said that sum of two consecutive even numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. So if we take first as x, then we have to add 2. So after adding 2, we will get next consecutive number. For example, first is 2. If we add 2 plus 2, then we'll get 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So if it is first is x, then we have to add the second number to the second number x plus 2. That means we have to add 2. So let us start the solution. Let the given consecutive numbers be x and x plus 2 will be the next consecutive number. Whatever it is, if we add 2 to this, then the next even number will be x plus 2, isn't it? So now they have said the sum of two consecutive even number is 118. So that means x plus 2 is equal to 118. Okay. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 118. Now we have to solve this. X plus x is what? 2x plus 2 is equal to 118. So 2x, we have to find the variable x, isn't it? So 2x वैसे का वैसे रखते हैं, प्लस 2 को अपोजिट साइड में लेकर आते हैं, -2 हो जाएगा. तो 2x इज इक्वल टू 118 माइनस 2. तो 118 माइनस 2 यानी कि ये जो ऑपरेशन है यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन का होगा. सो 118 माइनस 2, 8 माइनस 2 is 6. 1 rest of the numbers will be same, that is 116. So 2x is equal to 116. x is equal to 116. इस 2 को हम लोग ऑपोजिट साइड में लेकर आते हैं, वो डिवाइड होगा तो अपॉन 2. लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई दिस. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, यहाँ पे एक आ जाएगा तो 16 होगा, 2 8s are 16. सो x is equal to 58. If x is equal to 58, then the next number will be 58 plus 2. That is x plus 2 is 58 plus 2. 58 plus 2 is what? 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 5 is 6. So 60. 58 and 60 are the two consecutive even numbers. Therefore, the two consecutive numbers will be 58 and 60. You have to write it as two consecutive even numbers. Even numbers. Therefore, the two consecutive even numbers will be 58, 60. Second question, two complementary angles differ by 20. Find the angles. You know that we've already studied that complementary angles, the sum of the two complementary angles is equal to 90 degrees, isn't it? यहाँ पे बोला गया है कि two complementary angles हैं, उनका जो difference है वो क्या है? 20 है. यानी कि अगर first जो है वो x लिया तो दूसरा का difference मतलब फर्स्ट x है तो दूसरा x प्लस 20 होगा. दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है वो 20 है ना, तो एक x होगा तो दूसरा x प्लस 20 ले सकते हैं. ओके. सोल्यूशन. लेट द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स बी x एंड x प्लस 20. वी नो दैट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स मीन्स सम ऑफ द टू एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्रीज. ओके. सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का क्या होता है? 180 डिग्रीज होता है. सम ऑफ द टू एंगल्स इज 180. But in this case, they have told complementary angles. So it will be, sum will be 90 degrees. Now they have said that two complementary angles differ by 20 degrees. Okay. Now if the sum will be what? Sum of the two complementary angles is 90 degrees. ये तो हमें मालूम है. तो x plus 20 यानी दोनों numbers add करेंगे तो 90 degrees आना चाहिए. x plus 20 is equal to 90 degrees. We know that complementary angles sum is 90. X plus x is what? 2x plus 20 is equal to 90 degrees. Let us take this plus 20 to the opposite side. It will become minus 20. So 2x is equal to 90 minus 20. 2x is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. तो 2x is equal to 70. x is equal to, हमें x फाइंड आउट करना है तो इस 2 को ऑपोजिट साइड में लेकर आना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो ऑपोजिट साइड में जाते ही डिवाइड करेंगे. तो x is equal to 70 by 2. इसे सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 2 3 जा 6, एक बचेगा. 2 5 जा 10. देखो x is equal to 35 degrees. अगर x is equal to 35 degrees, that means the second complementary will be x plus 20. तो x plus 20 is 35 plus 20. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. तो 55 degrees. Therefore, the two complementary angles are 35 degrees and 55 degrees. We have to verify them. 35 plus 55 क्या होता है? 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. That means the sum is 90 degrees. And it holds good. In case of complementary angles, the sum is 90 degrees. तो इसके साथ ही हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो है वो खत्म होता है. थैंक यू सो मच.